All right, what's up? What's up? How's everyone doing? Welcome in, Norcel. Good morning, Alejandro. Good morning, Slobodan. 100% success. Not sure what you're referring to. Henster. Good morning. Peter. Good morning. Meg11. Good morning. ALB. Good morning. So today, more penny stock action here on ALBT. This is our leading gap. We're up 273% already on the day. This is crazy, right under $1 here. So right under $1, are we going to break $1 pre-market, or is this move going to wait until the open? I'm not quite sure. We do have news on it. You can take a look at the news catalyst, but we do have a recent high here back in June. I don't remember trading ALBT. It was active about maybe 3 months ago. 3 months ago, went from 30 cents to $1.40. That's a pretty good move. Maybe we can start reclaiming this level here and see either a breakout or a double top at 144. So right under $1, maybe we pull back from here and then break the psychological resistance of $1. The news catalyst. Best broker start trading with 1K deposit. Still not sure what you mean. 100% success. Is that like a broker name? So let's see. So back here, yeah, I'm not really sure what this is. This could have been just a different ticker or an acquisition. So it looks like pretty nasty backside. Yeah, I'd say target would be 140. Target would be 140. After that, if it decides to hold up, I mean, I guess we got a level here at 167. I don't know if we're going to go all the way this high, but 167, 250. I think that's about good for now. Let's see. What's up, Paul Lewis? Good morning. Trade Zero is crap. I never traded with Trade Zero. I can't tell you. We have the 200 EMA here at 60 cents, 59.25, about 60 cents on ALBT. So we are above the 200, which is good. And if we do happen to pull back, we could find some support right around that 200 EMA. So very good setups in here. Very clean action here on ALBT. Nice. Yeah, so it looks like it's respecting the 5-minute 9 EMA very well here. So very good setup here. Setup here, and then a setup here. Bottom and tail. And then the nice breakout here. Increasing volume. So very nice. Very juicy. News catalyst is News catalyst, news catalyst, news catalyst. Avalon Globocare, which is a company, services MSO to launch sales of proprietary FDA-registered external male catheter device. Pretty good. Shares trading higher. The company announced Laboratory Services MSO LLC has begun manufacturing the G-Wiz external male catheter device. So, I mean, pretty good catalyst. Float. Take a look. Let's take a look here. Float. ALBT. 5 million shares. 5 million shares on a penny stock. That is great. Very, very low. I like it. Morning, James. So ALBT consolidating quite high here. It's quite extended at this point. Maybe we'll see a 5-minute pullback again, like these two areas. Maybe we pull back a little bit farther, maybe down to 80, 81, and then curl up for a breakout again for the break of 1. But we'll see. Again, nothing is guaranteed. Sometimes I say this and it looks good. We have a great pre-market gapper, and then at the open, the thing just sells off into oblivion. So, like I say all the time, is nothing's guaranteed, and we always have to follow our risk management rules. So even if it does sell off into oblivion, you will not be at max loss, double max loss, triple max loss, because you have those risk management rules in place. So that's the first leading gapper. Probably going to be my main watch here for the open. Second leading gapper, DGLY, Digital Ally. This one, trading higher. The company announced granted a U.S. patent for tracking and analysis of drivers within a fleet of vehicles. Okay, patent news. But the news was, the news was after hours. Sometimes when the news is after hours, the day before, it doesn't really kick on the next day. If the move was going to happen, it should have happened like overnight. Like this thing should be trading already at like $4 if it was like a really good catalyst. So, that now that it's like already coming back down, below the previous high yesterday when the news was fresh, something's telling me on this stock like that the hype has come and gone already. The momentum on this catalyst, has come and gone. Because if it was good, we would be at least be holding this previous high from the previous day, and maybe even consolidating towards the higher end of the chart. But now that we're breaking down under VWAP, it's definitely not showing strength right now. It's definitely going to be a stock on the side chart. Not going to be my main watch at the open. Next stock here, SGD. Looks like it just took the second place here in the gap scan, up 75%. Another penny stock moving here. SGD, Safe and Green Development, moving higher. 42 cents a share. SGD float, 7.8 million shares. Do we have news? Safe and Green Development Corporation shares trading higher. The company secured an investment of up to $10 million from Arena investors. So, great. That's a great catalyst. Penny stock here. The float, 7 million. So, ticks all of our boxes. So, between SGD and ALBT, I think we can see some good action. Can see some good action today. I'm definitely hopeful. Let's take a look here at the larger time frame here at SGD. Okay, so another stock that's just been selling off like crazy. Definitely does not have a history of holding up its highs, but intraday wise, it definitely can make a move. We're back above this this previous support, which is good. That could act as support if it does pull back. As far as targets, I already have my levels drawn here from trading this before. So yeah, looking like about 50, 55, 57, somewhere in this area would be a good target. Next level here on 64, previous resistance, maybe we can see a break out of there, and then a reclaim up to maybe 95 to $1. So those are my levels there on SGD. Serve, yeah, Serve is still in play. For those of you guys who like Serve, still moving. Got a little bit of a double bottom here, curling back up. The volume is much lighter than these previous days. Serve Robotics collaborating with Shake Shack for autonomous robot delivery. Crazy. Through Uber Eats. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I definitely do see in the future, in the near future, delivery being fully robotic, where there's just going to be a robot driving down your street to drop off your pizza or your burgers. So, you know, if you're working for Uber Eats, Uber, Lyft, Drive, whatever, you should be looking for an alternative, because I don't think your job is going to be in demand forever. But good morning, Chad. Good morning, Drew. Yeah, so Serve does have a news catalyst. Is this fresh news or is it from previous day? Okay, no, it doesn't have. It is fresh. So, I mean, the Shake Shack news, it's not bad. You know, it's not bad. I mean, it definitely hits the hype train of the AI robotics. Coming up to previous levels here. Maybe we can see a squeeze over 15.24. Let me get rid of all this. Let me get rid of this. This is old. This is old. Okay. So yeah, maybe we see something. You know, we're getting up to this previous resistance level. Maybe we see a pullback, and then a breakout and start reclaiming here at 15, 15.23, and maybe, you know, up to 17. But there's other stocks moving as well. So I'm not quite sure if this takes the attention or if this stock is going to be overshadowed by SGD and ALBT. Good morning, Bulls. Welcome in. Yeah, so recent news here on for anyone using Dash Trader, I contacted support asking them when the live like full version of Dash is going to be available. And they said no ETA. Last week they said, oh, it's going to be available by the end of the week the end of last week or the beginning of this week. I contacted them yesterday and they say there's no ETA. This is still in development. Just come on, man. Like this is crazy. Like I'm paying for this platform full price and I can't even use like 80% of, well, I can use it, but it's faulty. It's a faulty system. And you don't get the full like live streamer availability like with as far as the trades go. It's just, yeah, it's definitely faulty. It's even slower than Thinkorswim orders. So I'm considering like just maybe even leaving this if Dash Trader just never puts out its live stream, or I'm just gonna cancel this and just find some other. I think there are some other companies that provide live data. If I'm just getting live data, which is literally what I'm using Dash Traders for right now, I'm not even using any other hotkeys. So like, what's the point of even like paying for the whole thing, the whole price? I think there's other companies that just offer the live data without any hotkeys anyways for like maybe a tenth of the price, or like a 25% of the price that I'm paying now. So I might be consider getting rid of this. So let's flip through ALBT, right? ALBT leading gapper here. So topped out at 98, pulling back. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit lower. We're coming up to that 5 minutes 9 EMA. So maybe we find support here, but I still feel like it's a little bit extended. I still feel like we could get that flush down here to 75. I mean, we just made a move from 25 cents up to 98 cents a share. Like, that's a 300%, close to a 300% move. Is this going to hold up here? Is this going to hold up here, the 5 minute 9 EMA? Also coincides with this previous kind of short consolidation. I would say if it was the market open, I would take the trade. I would definitely take the trade if it was the market open. The reason I don't trade these penny stocks pre-market is because, again, with these limit orders, it's like on the penny stocks, it's like flipping, like the ask and the bid are flipping by 0.001 cents a share. And so, like, even if you're trying to get in, it's like it moves so fast that, you know, it's hard to get filled coming in or coming out. So you're always chasing the book half the time. It's harder to manage your risk. Sometimes I find myself, you know, canceling orders because it didn't get filled, trying to hit the ask. Like, I'm even selling the bid. I'd be selling the bid and I wouldn't get filled. And I'm like canceling it, selling the bid, still don't get filled. It's going lower. Selling the bid, doesn't get filled. It's still going lower. Like, I'm slapping the bid. Like, I should be able to get out immediately. But since it's a 0.001 cents a share kind of spread thing, it moves too fast. SGD continuation, SGD. So maybe SGD is getting the attention here. Going to get a move up to 50 cents. Very nice move here. Really respected that 1 minute 9 EMA. So maybe SGD gets a little bit more attention here at the open. It could possibly be because it's still early, could still be early in the move. We went from 22 to 49 versus ALBT already went from 22 to 98. So maybe ALBT sees a longer consolidation period. Nice break of 50. I'm gonna actually look up market data providers. Level 2. I did find one before. It's like $20 a month. It was way cheaper. Nice little pullback here. Could be a good entry down in here. For potential bounce here off 46 would be the 9 EMA. Let's see. It's a little bit close to the open. I don't know. Yeah, Medved Trader. That was it. Yeah, Medved Trader. Like, if I'm not using hotkeys, like, I can't, like, I'm not going to be using these Dash Trader hotkeys. So, like, if I'm just using level 2, like, I think I can just get this. As long as it's, like, just as quick. Yeah, 25 bucks. Yeah, premium monthly. Or you can buy the annual version and save 20 bucks a month for 240. Or no, you save what, 60 bucks a month? No, 5 bucks a month. So it might not even be worth it. So gallery, data feeds and brokers. Yeah, Medved Trader. I'll have to do some more research on this. Did SGD seriously flash all the way down to 41 or 42? That's crazy. Sometimes you can't trust these dips, man. Sometimes these dips fall through, stop you out, and then bounce back up. Getting some serious selling here in SGD. Price 3 candles, over 1 million shares in volume here, overtaking its previous high on the previous high volume on the previous candles here earlier. Could be a little bit of a red flag. We'll see. Medved Trader. I'll have to watch, see if there's anything on YouTube. See like a demo or something. Does it have halt levels? Yeah, that's another good question here. There was a picture. I'm looking at the pictures right now. Yeah, it doesn't really say there. So essentially, like, if I'm paying 120 for DAS, I'd be saving 100 bucks, pretty much like 9,500 bucks a month. Could be worth it. Yeah, I'll look into this more. I'll get back to you guys. Got about 5 minutes here to the open, so I need to get focused, dialed in. Man, SGD pulling back. It's not good. It is fully customizable, and the owner, Medved, he is a really great guy. Oh, you talked to the guy? Looks like Medved doesn't provide data themselves. So what do they do? Yeah, so I mean, Norcell, as long as they provide, like, all I need is just like a tape. All I need is tape and level 2 as good as tape, level 2, and halt up and halt down. That's it. I don't need no charts. I don't need news. I don't need anything of that. Just need level 2 tape and hold up, hold down. Don't need a scanner. Don't need a chart. Don't need news. Don't need any widgets. Yes, LB. Let's stay focused. Let's have a great day. Stay calm, cool, and collected. Looks like SGD selling off a bit. Maybe our next support is maybe here at the 9 EMA here at the 5 minutes. Maybe we find some support above this area, maybe around 40, 38, 39. But definitely not what you want to see here. Coming right into the open, major selling volume. Relatively speaking, at the open, it's probably going to turn about 3 or 4 million shares at the open. So maybe it could still rip, but ALBT sort of in a longer consolidation. We'll see what happens there. MedVed Trader connects various online brokers, subscriptions, and free data from market data. You can get real-time market data for your broker if they're supported. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty much the same as DAS then. Just yeah, but I wouldn't even need to connect MedVed Trader to Charles Schwab because I'm not trading through them. I'm not doing anything. All I need is the live level 2 data. So good luck. Let's get dialed in here. ALBT and SGD. Serve on the side chart, DGLY in the side chart. So we'll see which one holds up and continues higher. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to be patient since both of these are kind of consolidating. We may get a couple price action scalps here right at the open, but for the most part, I'm going to sit tight until the winner showed itself and then start to size up. So good luck, and I'll catch you guys later.